we will discuss about the action of semi-carbazide with aldehydes and ketones. Action with semi-carbazide. Action with semi-carbazide. Semi-carbazide. Formula for semi-carbazide is NH2 NH CO NH2 semi-carbazide. I have already told you that when an aldehyde or a ketone reacts with semi-carbazide in presence of dilute mineral acid, then corresponding semi-carbazole is formed. That means when an aldehyde reacts with semi-carbazide in presence of dilute mineral acid, then aldehyde semi-carbazole is formed. When a ketone reacts with semi-carbazide in presence of dilute mineral acid, then a ketone semi-carbazole is formed. Aldehyde is R CH double bond O. Aldehyde plus semi-carbazide is NH2 NH CO NH2 in presence of dilute H plus dilute mineral acid dilute H plus. Then as it is an elimination reaction, water molecule is eliminated from this side. As a result, R single bond CH double bond N single bond NH single bond CO NH2 is formed. This is aldehyde semi-carbazole. Aldehyde semi-carbazole. CARBAZONE semi-carbazole. It is an aldehyde. If you take acetaldehyde is CH3 CH double bond O. It is acetaldehyde. When it reacts with semi-carbazide NH2 NH CO NH2 in presence of dilute mineral acid dilute H plus, then elimination of water molecules occurs from this side. As a result, CH3 single bond CH double bond N single bond NH single bond CO NH2 is formed. It is your aldehyde. It is your acetaldehyde. Reactant is your acetaldehyde. Product is your acetaldehyde semi-carbazole. Acetaldehyde semi-carbazole ACMI CARBAZONE acetaldehyde semi-carbazole. Similarly, when a ketone, if you take ketone R C double bond O, it is your ketone. When a ketone reacts with semi-carbazide NH2 NH CO NH2 in presence of dilute H plus dilute mineral acid, then elimination of water molecules proceeds on. As a result, RR C double bond N single bond NH CO NH2 plus water here, write plus water. It is your ketone semi-carbazole. Ketone semi-carbazole ACMI CARBAZONE ketone semi-carbazole. It is your ketone KETON. If you take acetone CH3 C double bond O, it is your acetone. When acetone reacts with semi-carbazide, it is your NH2 NH CO NH2 in presence of dilute H plus mineral acid, then elimination of water molecules proceeds on. As a result, CH3 C double bond N single bond NH single bond CO NH2 is formed along with a water molecule. It is your acetone semi-carbazole. Acetone semi-carbazole ACMI CARBAZONE acetone semi-carbazole. Then action with 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Action with action with 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine. Action with 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine. Phenylhydrazine. It is your C6H5. Phenyl is your C6H5. It is your phenyl group. Phenyl hydrazine is your NH2. So it is your C6H5 NH2. It is your phenyl hydrazine 2,4. It is your number 1 position. It is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 4th position. Second position and 4th position as compared to hydrazine position containing nitro group NO2. It is also containing nitro group. This compound is known as 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine. Phenyl is your C6H5 NH2 is your phenylhydrazine. Here 2 NO2 group, 2 nitro group. One is present at the number 2 position, other is present at the number 4 position. So this compound is known as 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine. When an aldehyde and ketone reacts with 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine, then corresponding dinitro phenylhydrazine form. If an aldehyde reacts with 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine, then an aldehyde 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine is formed. Hydrazone is formed. When a ketone reacts with 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine in presence of a dilute mineral acid, then corresponding ketone 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazone is formed. Aldehyde is your RCH double bond O. This is your aldehyde. When it reacts with the 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine, phenylhydrazine is your NH2NH, then C6H5, 2,4-dinitro, 2. It is your 4th position, 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine. Or you can write this nitro position at this position also. 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine. It is an aldehyde. When an aldehyde reacts with the 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine, 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine in presence of dilute H+, dilute mineral acid, dilute H+, then elimination of water molecules proceeds on. As a result, RCH double bond N, single bond NH, single bond benzene is a phenyl group, then 2 and 4th position containing nitro group plus water. It is aldehyde 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine, HYDROZONE, phenyl or DNPH, you can write it is also DNPH, dinitro phenylhydrazine or dinitro phenylhydrazine, DNPH, dinitro phenylhydrazine. So when an aldehyde reacts with phenyl 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine in presence of dilute mineral acid, then aldehyde 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazone is formed. If you take acetaldehyde, suppose CH3 single bond CH double bond O, it is acetaldehyde. When acetaldehyde reacts with 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine, 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine, NO2 in the presence of dilute mineral acid, in the presence of dilute H+, then elimination of water molecules proceeds on. As a result, CH3, single bond CH, double bond N, single bond NH, single bond benzene, NO2, NO2 plus water. It is your acetaldehyde 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazone 2,4-hydrazone. If you take a ketone C double bond O, it is a ketone plus 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone NH2 NH, then benzene, this is NO2, this is also NO2. You can write NO2 at this position also. It is also second position. Dilute H plus in presence of dilute H plus mineral acid. Then elimination of water molecule proceeds on. As a result, R C double bond N, single bond NH, single bond benzene ring, NO2 plus water. It is your ketone. It is a ketone. It is your ketone 2,4-dinitro, ketone 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazone. If you take acetone is your CH3 C double bond O. It is your acetone. When the acetone reacts with 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazine, it is your 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazine in presence of dilute H plus, then CH3 elimination of water molecules proceeds on. As a result, CH3 C double bond N, single bond NH, single bond benzene ring, single bond NO2 plus water. It is your acetone 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazone HYDRAZONE. Acetone 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazone. This is about your elimination reaction. Then come to the different types of other chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Then come to the carnivorous reaction. CaNNI ZZA RRO carnivorous reaction. In some book, carnivorous CaNNI carnivorous. Don't confuse about it. So carnivorous reaction means aldehydes having lack of alpha hydrogen atoms. When treated with a strong base, then out of two such molecules, one is oxidized to form salt of a carboxylic acid, while another is reduced to form an alcohol. It is an example of self-oxidation reduction reaction. It is also an example of a disproportionation reaction. Carnivorous reaction कहले आमे बुझिबा जे जो aldehyde रे alpha hydrogen atom नथिबो, aldehydes having lack of alpha hydrogen atom. aldehyde दुटा कंडीशन carnivorous reaction नो आपर aldol condensation कहबी सेठी मते दुटा कंडीशन. carnivorous reaction रो दुटा कंडीशन भितर प्रथम कंडीशन होची जो aldehyde रे alpha hydrogen atom नथिबो माने गोटे aldehyde लिखुची formaldehyde तुमर होची HCHO, acetaldehyde होची CH3CHO. aldehydes having lack of alpha hydrogen atom, functional group aldehyde होची CHO, फंक्शनल ग्रुप रे भी कार्बन एटम अछि ए कार्बन एटम को छाडी देला परे आ परे जदि गोटे कार्बन एटम थाए ताको हमें अल्फा कार्बन एटम कहबा फॉर्माल्डिहाइड रे अल्फा कार्बन एटम नाही तेनु एटा होची अल्फा हाइड्रोजन कुआ दिबो नाही क्योंकि एसिटाल्डिहाइड पर एटी अल्फा कार्बन एटा कुआ दिबो अल्फा कार्बन माने ए जो तीनटा हाइड्रोजन लागिची एटा बजे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम तेनु एटा तुमरो कानिजोस रिएक्शन देखैबो एथिरे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन नाही एथिरे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन अछि तो ये कानिजोस रिएक्शन देखैबो नाही एटा जो नंबर 1 कंडीशन जो एल्डिहाइड रे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम नथिबो सेही माने ही कानिजोस रिएक्शन देखैबे नंबर 1 कंडीशन होची एल्डिहाइड्स हैविंग लैक ऑफ अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम नंबर 2 सेही एल्डिहाइड को जदी हम गोटे स्ट्रांग अल्काली प्रेजेंस रे रिएक्शन करबा स्ट्रांग अल्काली माने गोटे बेस रे 1 रे जो एलिमेंट गुडी हम अछंती लिथियम सोडियम हाइड्रोजन अछि तो सेटा नॉन मेटल में लिथियम सोडियम पोटेशियम रूबियम सीजियम फ्रांचियम these are the elements present in the first of the periodic table सोडियम पोटेशियम रूबियम सीजियम एई मानकर हाइड्रोक्साइड की स्ट्रांग अल्काली को आ जाए बा स्ट्रांग बेस को आ जाए तो एनको छाडी दे अनोडा उई तो आको भितरु जे कोन सिने सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड रूबियम सीजियम सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड की पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड की रिएक्शन करे फॉर्माल्डिहाइड सहित माने HCHO सहित एल्डिहाइड सब दुटा कंडीशन कानिजोस रिएक्शन रो भलवा मन नथिबो कानिजोस रिएक्शन हम देखैबो सेही एल्डिहाइड जो एल्डिहाइड रे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम नथिबो फॉर्माल्डिहाइड तुम देखैबो आपर पढेले एरोमेटिक पढेले जेतले सेतले भी कहबी बेंजाल्डिहाइड कथा बेंजाल्डिहाइड तुम होती C6H5OH C6H5OH माने एटा बेंजीन रिंग डबल बॉन्ड अल्टरनेट सिंगल बॉन्ड डबल बॉन्ड एटी CHO दिबो एटा ऊपर बेंजाल्डिहाइड एई पोजीशन होती अल्फा पोजीशन देखो एटी गोटे डबल बॉन्ड अछि गोटे सिंगल बॉन्ड चारटा बॉन्ड अछि तामाने एटी केवल C अछि मनक आउ सब जाक कर्नर आर CH आर सब जाक कर्नर होती CH आ एटा होती केवल C तो एटी अल्फा कार्बन अछि अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम नाही तो बेंजाल्डिहाइड आ फॉर्माल्डिहाइड एई दुईटा एल्डिहाइड फॉर्माल्डिहाइड तुम एलिफैटिक एल्डिहाइड बेंजाल्डिहाइड तुम एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड एई दुईटी कानिजोस रिएक्शन देखैबे नंबर 1 नंबर 2 गोटे स्ट्रांग अल्काली प्रेजेंस रे रिएक्शन होतिबो स्ट्रांग अल्काली माने तो तुम कहउची ग्रुप 1 रो मौलिक गुडी करछंती सोडियम पोटेशियम रूबियम सीजियम ए मान हाइड्रोक्साइड की स्ट्रांग अल्काली को जाय फ्रांचियम रेडियो एक्टिव आ तुम्हारा हाइड्रोजन ता नॉन मेटल लिथियम हाइड्रोक्साइड ता कोवैलेंट जनरल इन नेचर आयन में पार्शियल आयन में देखाय तो सोडियम पोटेशियम रूबियम सीजियम ए चारिटा आको बिंदु जे कोन हाइड्रोक्साइड करे जनरली सोडियम बा पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड माने ए दे जाय तो व्हेन फॉर्माल्डिहाइड बा बेंजाल्डिहाइड रिएक्ट करिवो सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन रहतो न कोइ कानिजोस रिएक्शन कोन कहउची ना एल्डिहाइड हैविंग लैक ऑफ अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम जो एल्डिहाइड रे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम नथिबो त माने फॉर्माल्डिहाइड बा बेंजाल्डिहाइड when treated with a strong base like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide then out of two such molecules जदि हम दुईटा molecule नै दिबा one is oxidized गोटे oxidized हो आ another is reduced गोटे oxidized हो आ गोटे reduced हो जे oxidized करिवो से salt of carboxylic acid हो aldehyde on oxidation produce carboxylic acid हम आगु जानि जे आ aldehyde on reduction produce alcohol तनु दुईटा जो aldehyde molecule नै दिबा फॉर्माल्डिहाइड मॉलिक्यूल गोटे दादर फॉर्मिक एसिड होबा कथा फॉर्मिक एसिड नय जे सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड लेचे सोडियम फॉर्मेट हो यदि पोटेशियम नै दिबा पोटेशियम फॉर्मेट हो आ गोटे अल्कोहल हो गोटे कार्बन दिबा अल्कोहल होती मिथाइल अल्कोहल देखो दुईटी तुमे एल्डिहाइड मॉलिक्यूल लेइछो दुईटी एल्डिहाइड मॉलिक्यूल गोटे आपे आपे ऑक्सीडाइज करि जाउची तो फॉर्मिक एसिड होबा कथा सोडियम फॉर्मेट होउची आ गोटे रिडक्शन हे कि मिथाइल अल्कोहल होउची तो one molecule is oxidized while the another molecule is reduced so it is an example of self oxidation reduction reaction gote chha oxidize korchi gote chha reduce korchi self oxidation reduction reaction it is also known as disproportionation reaction incomplete reaction when formaldehyde is your HCHO formaldehyde is your HCHO it is your formaldehyde when formaldehyde reacts with sodium hydroxide strong alkali is your sodium hydroxide then out of two such molecules, you have to take two molecules of formaldehyde. One is oxidized to form, it is a formaldehyde. Formaldehyde on oxidation produced formic acid, because an aldehyde and alcohol on oxidation produce aldehyde. Aldehyde on further oxidation produce a carboxylic acid. Here it is aldehyde. Aldehyde on oxidation produce formic acid. It should be HCOH, but you add take sodium, so it will form a sodium salt of formic acid, that is HCONA plus another molecule is reduced to form an alcohol. Alcohol is your CH3OH. It is your sodium formate. It is your sodium formate. Sodium salt of formic acid. It is your methyl alcohol. Sodium formate. It is your methyl alcohol. This is an important reaction. And when formaldehyde reacts with a strong, if you take potassium hydroxide, then it will form HCOK instead of HCONA. So potassium formate is formed along with methyl alcohol. So this is about your Canizer's reaction. Then comes to another important reaction, that is aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. Aldol condensation, ALDOL, aldol condensation, CONDENSATION, aldol condensation. Aldol condensation, as the name suggests, aldol condensation, aldehyde, ALD, alcohol is your IUPAC name for an alcohol is alkandol, so suffix is ol, aldehyde and alcohol. Aldol condensation means aldehyde condensation when aldehydes containing aldehydes and ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom, and an aldehydes and a ketone containing alpha hydrogen atom. But aldehyde re the alpha hydrogen thae, Canizer's reaction ର দুইটা condition ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି ଯେ ଗୋଟେ जो aldehyde ମାନଙ୍କର alpha hydrogen atom थिबो नथिबो ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯଦି strong alkali presence ରେ reaction करा जाए ताले सेई मानक भितरु दुईटा aldehyde भितरु गोटी ऑक्सीडाइज करिकि सोडियम सॉल्ट बा पोटेशियम सॉल्ट ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड हला बेले अन्य गोटे रिडक्शन होतिला ताको डिस्प्रोपोर्शनेशन रिएक्शन कहउतिला कुआ जाउतिला बा सेल्फ ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन कुआ होता कि एठी aldol condensation तार ऑपोजिट ता सिटी अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम नथिला इटी aldehydes and ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom aldehyde हो बा कीटोन हो तार जे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम थाए ता माने फॉर्माल्डिहाइड मोर HCHO एसिटाल्डिहाइड होती CH3CHO एसीटोन कीटोन जो CH3COCH3 so aldehyde formaldehyde does not contain alpha hydrogen atom. Acetaldehyde it is your alpha carbon atom. Acetaldehyde contains 3 alpha hydrogen atom, so it will undergo aldol condensation. Acetone it you can take it as alpha position or this carbon as alpha position as it is functional group. So acetaldehyde and acetone will undergo aldol condensation, but formaldehyde does not undergo aldol condensation because according to our condition for the aldol condensation, first condition is aldehydes and ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom. जो aldehyde बा ketone रे alpha hydrogen atom थिबो तेनु acetaldehyde बा acetone दिटा देखैबे formaldehyde reaction देखाइबो नाही when treated with a dilute base or weak alkali गुटे weak alkali सहित reaction करा होतो weak alkali माने I have already told you that the elements which are present in the fat of the modern periodic table or alkali metals, their hydroxides are generally strong alkalis or strong base, except group 1, group 2, group 3, other elements or other metal hydroxides are weaker base or weak alkali. Suppose sector A is known as your alkaline earth metal containing beryllium, magnesium, calcium, barium, strontium and radium. These elements are present in the second of the modern periodic table. They are hydroxides, copper hydroxide, you may take zinc hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide. These are the weak bases. So if acetaldehyde and acetone will react with the weak base, then two such molecules condense. प्रथम condition जो aldehyde बा ketone रे alpha hydrogen atom थिबो. द्वितीय condition जदि ता सेगुडी को नै गोटे weak alkali सहित रिएक्शन करा जाउ थाए ताल कोन हबो ना से भलिया दुईटा aldehyde बा से भलिया दुईटा ketone मिसिले गोटा बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी aldehyde बाबा गोटे बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी कीटोन फॉर्म करिवो. बीटा पोजीशन रे हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप दिबो. बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी aldehyde और बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी कीटोन नै दिबो ताले बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी कीटोन इज फॉर्म and this type of reaction is known as aldol condensation. Other boxino when an aldehydes and ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom when treated with a weak base, then two such molecules condense man ekateba, then two such molecules condense to form a beta hydroxy aldehyde or a beta hydroxy ketone. Jodi aldehyde nei dibo beta hydroxy aldehyde habo, jodi ketone nei dibo beta hydroxy ketone habo. So se reaction ko aje this type of reaction is known as aldol condensation. If you take acetaldehyde, you can write acetaldehyde like this: CH3 COH. It is acetaldehyde plus another acetaldehyde molecule can be written as H single bond CH2 CHO. Same thing, two molecules of acetaldehyde. One is your CH3 COH, same thing as CH3 CHO. Another is your HCH2 means CH3 CHO. Two molecules of acetaldehyde when treated with weak base like barium hydroxide BaOH2. You may take it as calcium hydroxide CaOH2. Then as it is your carbon atom, it is your delta plus, oxygen is your delta minus, your hydrogen is delta plus, CH2 CH2 is your delta minus. Then this hydrogen comes to this position, as a result double bond vanishes to form single bond OH and CH2 CH link to this position. As a result CH3 single bond C single bond OH, this H comes to this place CH single bond CH2 CHO. It is your acetaldehyde. Two molecules of acetaldehyde. It is also acetaldehyde. Here two molecules of acetaldehyde condense in presence of a weak alkali barium hydroxide to form acetaldol. The common name for this one is acetaldol, acetaldol. Acetaldol. Its IUPAC name is as it contains two functional groups, that is CHO, another is your OH. Here OH group is a junior group as compared to CHO. So counting it starts from this right hand side. It is your number 1 carbon, number 2, number 3, number 4. It is your functional group. It is your alpha position. It is your beta position. So a beta hydroxy aldehyde. And its IUPAC name will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 hydroxy methane, ethane, propane, butane. And the IUPAC name for an aldehyde is alkanol. So it is 3 hydroxy butanol. BUTANL. 3 hydroxy butanol. It is a beta hydroxy aldehyde. If you take acetone, a ketone, CH3 C double bond O plus, or you can write like this: CH3 CO CH3 plus H CH2 CO CH3. It is also acetone. It is also acetone because it is CH3 COCH3. Acetone. It is acetone. When two acetone molecules condense in presence of a weak alkali like barium hydroxide BaOH2, then it is your alpha delta plus, it is your delta minus, it is your delta plus, this portion is delta minus. So the resulting compound will be CH3, single bond C, OH, then single bond CH3, then single bond CH2, CO, CH3. It is a beta hydroxy ketone because it is a hydroxyl group. It is a ketone. Ketone is similar as compared to an alcohol. So it is your alpha position. It is your beta position. It is a beta hydroxy ketone. Its IUPAC name will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 hydroxy, 4 methyl, 4 hydroxy, 4 hydroxy, 4 methyl, pentan, 2 well, it is a ketone, so its position should be properly mentioned. So 4 hydroxy, 4 methyl, pentan, 2 OL. So it is about aldol condensation. Monorecurrence सबले Canizer's reaction, aldol condensation. Canizer's आउथरे कहूची Canizer's reaction पाई दुईटा कंडीशन. प्रथम कंडीशन हला कंपाउंड रे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम नथिबो आ ताकू कोन करा जिवो बस एल्डिहाइड रे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम नथिबो ताकू नै गोटे स्ट्रांग अल्काली सहित रिएक्शन करले करा जिवो. aldol condensation रे जो एल्डिहाइड बा कीटोन मानकर अल्फा हाइड्रोजन अछि सेही एल्डिहाइड बा कीटोन को नै गोटे वीक अल्काली प्रेजेंस सहित रिएक्शन करैले से कंडेंस करबो एकाठी हबो. एकाठी जे आपण रे गोटे एल्डिहाइड नै दिबा गोटे बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी एल्डिहाइड हबो. जदि गोटे कीटोन नै दिबा ताले गोटे बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी कीटोन हबो. एटा तुमरला aldol condensation. आगटा कहि दिली Canizer's reaction. आप iodoform reaction. Iodoform reaction. Iodoform reaction. Iodoform reaction. IODOFORM. Iodoform reaction. Iodoform reaction. ये गोटे इंपोर्टेंट रिएक्शन आयोडोफॉर्म रिएक्शन. आयोडोफॉर्म रिएक्शन कहले आयोडोफॉर्म रिएक्शन माने प्रोडक्ट रे आयोडोफॉर्म तुमको दिए दियो. आयोडोफॉर्म फार्मूला होती क्लोरोफॉर्म CHCl3, आयोडोफॉर्म होती CHI3, ब्रोमोफॉर्म होती CHBr3. ताले CHI3 तोर प्रोडक्ट रे आस्तिबो. आयोडोफॉर्म रिएक्शन कहले कोन compounds containing CH3CO group. आर मतलब कंडीशन अछि कंपाउंड दुटा कंडीशन कंपाउंड्स कंटेनिंग CH3CO group और व्हिच ऑन ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोड्यूसेस CH3CO group. जो कंपाउंड रे CH3CO group थिबो बा जाको ऑक्सीडेशन करले CH3CO group बाहर थिबो. कंपाउंड्स कंटेनिंग CH3CO group और व्हिच ऑन ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोड्यूस CH3CO group when treated with iodine in presence of sodium hydroxide or in presence of sodium hydroxide, then a yellow colored solid iodoform is formed. Yellow colored oily substance iodoform is formed, and this type of reaction is known as iodoform reaction.